Hey, good morning, fellas. We are back. We're here. We're alive. What are we gonna do today? What is it gonna happen? What's the deal here? Market being very choppy at the open. Hey, good morning, Soul Search Gurus. John, good morning. Carolina, good morning. Good morning. How goes it, everybody? Good to be back. We took the day off yesterday. Man, it's been July. July has been a crazy month. It feels like we've been at home for like 1/3 of the month of July. Barely even that. But we got some pretty long wicks here. Good morning, Young. Good morning, Daniel. Could already get a great trade. Yeah, this looks like kind of a short opportunity here with these long wicks. Very interesting. Man, it's, every time we get to this, every time we come down to the 635 area, we test it, then we rip higher, and then we sell off once we get to the 660s. Can we make up our mind? Hey, good morning, realist. Crazy weather by me the last few nights. Oh, really, John? Where is that? I did see that there was some crazy weather. I saw that it looked like we were supposed to get some crazy weather this morning, but right now it's sunshine and everything looks fine. What the realist? What is wrong with you people? All right, we have this thing breaking out to the upside now. Here we go. Oh, I saw that Northern Illinois. John, I saw that there was like a tornado watch for the northern part of Illinois. Wasn't there, John? Hopefully everything's all right. I didn't hear if there were tornadoes then or not. Oh, I'm sorry, Matty Matt. No, don't tell me. Don't tell me, Matty Matt. That's not what I wanted to hear. 90-mile-per-hour winds? Wow, that is crazy. That is crazy. All right, market. Been debating if I want to be really aggressive here. $50 losing trades in a row, Matty Matt? No way. Oh, no way. Well, if it makes you feel any better, Matty Matt, I forgot, first of all, I do apologize. I did not do an update on my trading yesterday, and it was for a couple different reasons, but I just didn't have the capability and the time to do it. But I also I didn't have I actually didn't, it wasn't a terrible day yesterday, but man, I tell you what, this move right here, yeah, it got me. It got me, and it wasn't good. It was not good. I did lose an account. I lost a 150K account on that move. Okay, get the stupid flies flying around me now. But yeah, I was big move lower. This V-shaped reversal, absolutely hated it. I think I had 4 accounts to the green on this move higher yesterday morning. And this V-shaped reversal move, it got me. It got me. But I did pass. I'm going to try not to do this, but I lost 150K yesterday, and it was just a combination of things. I do feel like the rhythmic outage did affect, at least played a part in me losing that account, because I couldn't log into my, I was trading off my phone and I couldn't log in to get out of the trade. But I was going a little bit on tilt, and I forgot or didn't place a stop loss on my final entry. And that was my fault. I was pretty tilted at that point, and then didn't place a stop loss, and then I couldn't log back in, and you know the rest of the story. Perfect play. Good morning. 15 days wasted. Yeah, I'm mad. I'm sorry, man. If you're going through a slump like that, man, that is rough. That's when you start going opposite of what you're thinking. Like, you start to counter trade yourself. Is literally what you start doing once you have that many losing trades in a row. If I have a code for a Replicon trade copier, I think so. I don't even know. I think it still works. I think it's Nutty Bar 20. I think it is Nutty Bar 20 if you want to try it. You can look at my previous videos too, but wow, look at that move lower. This is kind of price action I hate. Hey, Black Coffee Trader in the house. How we doing? How we doing, Black Coffee? The Costanza trade. That's pretty much, you start to outthink yourself once you go on a big losing streak. You're like, well, I do like a long here, but because I'm on a losing streak and every trade I take loses, I'm actually going to go short. And then that is precisely when a long trade would work. Like, it's just how it works. It is literally how it works. The market will sometimes just chew you up and spit you out. So I heard that the derecho, I think that's what it's called. Hey, good morning, Almighty. Mr. Bobo, good morning. Jay Wilson, good morning. Design Knob, good morning. Can someone wake Daryl up and tell him to activate my PAs? It's been 2 hours. I will tell him, John. Hang on. Let me get him on the phone. And this market pulling back. Hang on, let me get so you guys can actually see what the market is doing. Sorry about that. Here we go. Yeah, we just couldn't. We made it all the way up to the 85s and now pulling all the way back to the 25s. Oof. I don't know what to think this morning on this. The derecho, yeah, we had a derecho go through my place, like right where I live. I think it was 2020. I think it was 4 years ago. And that is no joke. We had so many trees down, and yeah, it caused a lot of damage. Yeah. Time to go sell the truck and get my budget back. No, Matty Matt. Oh, that hurts, Mike. That hurts. That hurts. The retro sounds like a dish I'd eat at a Mexican restaurant. Basically, from what I understand, I'm no meteorologist, but the derecho is basically like 90 plus mile per hour straight line winds. Can be as high as like 130 mile per hour straight line winds. And I think that's what we got when it went through here. And it was crazy. Anyway, I know how long the 85 PA fees is running for, Mr. Bobo. I think it is August 15th. August the 15th, I think, is the deadline on when you can activate those, if I remember correctly. All right, I do want to get this account. The only 3 accounts that I'm really trying to get traded every day, which I didn't get this account traded yesterday, that is my 350K accounts, so that I can hopefully, I don't think I'm going to be able to make a pay period. I'm not going to be able to request a payout this period. I don't think I have enough days traded. I didn't even look. One thing, Apex has got to be a better. It's got to be a better way to track how many days traded that you have once you've received your first payout. Because right now it's kind of hard to keep track of it. But once you pass and pay doesn't get activated. Patience, John, patience. Patience. But yeah, man, there were trade evade issues yesterday, I heard. And then there were rhythmic issues in the afternoon. I guess someone made a comment that I guess someone crashed into a utility pole and took out one of the data centers. I don't know, whatever. But someone made a comment and said someone probably blew 20 accounts. Someone probably blew 20 accounts and they decided to go see if they can't take out a data center to see if they can get their accounts reset. The extent that we won't go to, right? I just realized something. So one thing that makes me really sad when we went on vacation, one of the rental vehicles that we got, I accidentally left my smartwatch, my not the Galaxy, it's the Garmin. I left my Garmin smartwatch in the vehicle, and yeah, not cool. I'm trying to get it back, but I am not having much luck. Couldn't make one single trade yesterday, Mr. Bobo. Yeah, I heard. Put scratch marks on a piece of paper. On Friday, I had issues with Rhythmic and lost my PA account. I opened a ticket and Apex refused, saying no issue was detected on Friday. Gutenberg or Lima, do you use Ninja Trader? Because one thing I noticed since, when I trade with my laptop is 5 years old, I think. Yeah, that was with Ninja Trader. See, and I'm not, this is not me trying to defend Rhythmic in any way, but one thing I have noticed is when I trade with my laptop, it's a lot older laptop than my computer here. I almost never experience lag when I'm trading on this computer. Like, everything runs pretty smoothly. But when I traded on my laptop, I experienced some terrible delays. It was way different. It was way slower, and Rhythmic kept putting, a couple times that Rhythmic put me in or Ninja Trader, or I don't even know who did it, but it would put me in reverse positions, like some people have been saying. But I've only experienced that on my laptop, which is a lot older. So I don't know. I feel like part of that is also an issue with Ninja Trader or with the laptop. I don't know. But then I would be watching other streamers, and they were, with Rhythmic connections, because when I was trading on my laptop, I would experience those kind of delays and just lags, and then I couldn't get out of trades. But then I was watching other people also on Rhythmic, and they didn't have any issues. So I don't know. It's kind of weird. And I feel like, I just don't know enough about it, but okay, I wasn't trading at the same time. But it's kind of, because usually if there are actual Rhythmic outages, if Rhythmic has an outage, then it won't just affect 1 to 2 people. It just won't. If Rhythmic has an outage, then it will be widespread. You will see a lot of people affected. And I know that's what Apex looks at. Apex looks at the Rhythmic connection, and if they don't have any issues, then it's kind of difficult. Even though you're experiencing those issues, sometimes I'm not sure it isn't related to Ninja Trader. But I have no way of proving that one way or the other. Any trucks in your area aiming for poles? Carpet Hooligan, I do not know what you mean. Good morning, Spider Monkey. Good morning, Carpet Hooligan. Trader Tom is trading live? Are you serious, John? Well, ain't that something? I knew that he's been talking about trading on YouTube again. So, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome if he starts trading again. I hope he does. Yeah. I mean, I've followed Trader Tom. I was on his Telegram channel. I really enjoy watching him. And He's still figuring out his tech issues. Yeah, I know that he doesn't like YouTube because it has a delay, but I don't think there's another way around it. From what I've discovered with YouTube, like you will have the best lag or whatever, the least amount of delay that you can have on YouTube is about 7 to 10 seconds, which is a lot when it comes to it trading, which for me is not a big deal because I'm not doing this so people can copy my trades, thankfully. And but yeah, for him, he does, he wants his people watching to be able to immediately see when he enters positions. All right, market continuing to pull back here. I don't know. This is just feeling kind of yucky for me. I do not like this price action at all. I don't like it, but I need to get a trade in on this account for sure. Maybe we need to look at going short. Possibly. Wait, today he quit because he couldn't figure out how to show his screen? Scalping with Tom? Man, he needs to hit me up. Tell him to hit me up and I'll help him with his technical difficulties. Oh, man. Hey, good morning, Neo. Good morning, Neo. How's it going? His screen went black. You hate to see it. Oh, I forgot to have let's get the clock. We got to get the clock up. I'm surprised no one reminded me yet that the clock wasn't up. Hey, Lara Hudo, good morning. Gem Fu, good morning. Lag Lord, good morning. Also had 60-second delays on Apex Rhythmic last week, and my PA was liquidating. My account was at payout. Just ignore your ticket and randomly send some workaround for the future. Lag Lord, I mean, I don't know, but that's not cool if that's what happened. And I kind of have a different perspective on the things after I traded on my laptop, because me trading on my laptop was a completely different experience than when I trade on my computer. Completely different experience. I was experiencing lag and putting in different, like I would be experiencing lag and then I couldn't get out of my trades. I actually thought about opening my laptop and try to compare the two, but there's not really a way to do it. I have to continually be logging in and out of my accounts, which I don't really want to do, but yeah, I don't know. Good morning, Win. Good morning. The Dow just made all-time highs, black coffee. That's crazy. NQ is not interested. ES is not interested. Gold is pulling back. And then oil. I have started looking at oil and gold just a little bit more, just out of curiosity's sake. But oil, gold, ES. Man, I don't know. Do I have to look at a short today? I might have to. Actually, not having a terrible day today. So, wait a second. I'm very confused. Testing. Am I still live? Hello? What the heck? Testing 1, 2. Okay, I'm still good. Okay, I think I'm good. All right, we're live. What is up with my Streamlabs? Now Streamlabs is lagging. Can anyone see my messages? They keep disappearing, Carbon Hooligan? Yeah, I can see them. They shouldn't be disappearing, Carbon Hooligan. Or I can see them. Should be good. Wow, we are just continuing to go lower. Now, the low of the overnight session is the 541. So let's see. Let's see if we take that out. And then yesterday's session low was the 506. So, man, I just don't. Every time I try to catch a bounce on these moves, I always get destroyed. Here we go. About to take out the overnight low. This is where if I was being aggressive, I'd go long right here. I'm not going to do it. Here we are through the overnight lows down to the 535s. I think we go test the 500 area, to be honest. And we might be in for another red day. I was referring to the truck that Rhythmic said hit a pole yesterday. Oh, I see, Carved Hooligan. Now I see what you meant. Yeah, that's where I was yesterday. I was driving truck and I just, accidentally crash. That was me. You're welcome, everybody. I just, to take one for the team. Just kidding. But I thought that was pretty funny. I hit that pole with my $47,000 lawnmower. Very funny. Very funny, man. You weren't sure if it was a truck or a lawnmower. I just thought it was funny that they actually commented that it was a truck ran into a utility pole. Like, for real? I mean, okay, whatever. Hey, good morning, R5 Studios. Good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you. I've got this annoying fly flying around me again this morning that is going to really get my attention. I'm trying to trade my 250K accounts today. I haven't traded my 250K accounts, I think, in the last here. I haven't shown my accounts this morning. Here's my accounts currently. As you can see, if you just tuned in, I did lose an account yesterday. No excuses. I was a little bit mad when I went a little bit on tilt, and we did lose an account. We lost a 150K account, so I was pretty disappointed in how I traded. I actually traded okay on the other accounts until I got to that account, and then usually if I take a loss on an account, I try to move on and just stop trading that account and wait till the next day to try to recover it. And I didn't. Yesterday, for some reason, I was so determined that I'm going to get it back. I am going to make back that loss. And it happened right here. It happened on this V-shaped reversal move. I think my first loss was right here. I entered at the 750s and I got stopped out at like the 730s. And then I went in long again here around the 740s, got stopped out again. Yeah, and I should have stopped. I should have just walked away, and I didn't. But then also I couldn't log in, because of Rhythmic, and that made things even worse. But anyway, oh, you couldn't see what I was pointing to. Sorry about that. I was talking to this right here. Never mind. I was on the right screen. All right, boys, we are going lower. This is looking like a dump fest. We are now below the lows of yesterday. Yesterday's session lows are 506. We're right at it. And I am going to try really hard not to catch the bottom here. I just need to learn not to. So far, every time I've tried to catch the bottom on some of these moves, A, I'm always early, and B, I'm always wrong. So I ain't doing it. And don't try to talk me into it. Have I been intoxicated? There have been times, yes, there have been times that I went short like 2 minutes into 2 minutes too early. Oh, Matt, I'm sorry. Yeah, we get this little fake move higher and then just rug pulled. The market rug pulled this morning. I was hoping we'd just have a nice move up this morning. I was really hoping, but that does not look like the case. Still lots of selling here. Really curious if we get a bounce off the 500s or not. Does not look like we will. Wow, look at that. Just ripped right through it. Like it was nothing. Look at that sell-off. Down to the 490s. Got a pivot point right here. The 488s. Hey, good morning, Orlando. Larry, good morning. Whatever you say, don't do it. Scalping with Tom. That's funny. Okay, getting a little bit of a bounce here. But I don't really trust it. Also not sure I trust going short here either, but it's when we just wait. We just need to wait. I could definitely see this bouncing or taking a nice move higher here. But I just feel like it's not worth the pain and suffering. The Dow is up 500. No way. What is wrong with the Dow? Jeez. For the aspiring YouTube traders, would you recommend becoming an Apex affiliate? How much do you make? I mean, right when you start out, I mean, you're not going to make much, but the way I looked at it is why not? If you want, I mean, I would recommend why not do it? You got nothing to lose. but to each his own. You got to make that decision on your own. Dow up 500. How do I look at the Dow? I need to look at the Dow. Whoa. All right, someone needs to explain to me how the Dow is doing this. What? What? Man, wish I was trading the Dow this morning. That is crazy. That is crazy. Hey, good luck, Sod. I wish you luck. I mean, I understand there's a different correlation, but to have that big of a difference is crazy. Maybe I will. I'm going to have another tab open that shows the Dow just so I can watch it, because that is kind of interesting. All right, NQ. NQ is definitely making a move here off the 500. Wait a second. That's not the that's not NQ. What are we doing here? What? I was linking. Hang on, hang on. Stay with me. Stay with me here. Okay, we're back. Gosh. See, right here is where like going short right here is what I should be doing. I should be going short right here. I just don't trust it. Wait, the Dow is only 30 stocks? What? Are you serious? I did not know that. Yeah, I am a little clueless when it comes to the Dow. NQ has 100. I knew that. ES has 500. I knew that. Wait, and the Russell has 2,000, but the Dow only has 30 stocks? That's crazy. I'm not sure how I didn't know that. See? You learn something new every day. I'm so tempted to go short here. I just don't want to get trapped. I do not want to get trapped here short. Yeah, this is, now I'm looking, now I think this is a good long. I might jump in here. All right, I'm going in. Oh, are you kidding me? Nope. I jumped the gun. I jumped the gun. Should have waited. Man, that was, oh, that's, ah. Got trapped. Oh, man. Why? That was bad trading on my part. Should have just stayed patient. Should have stayed patient. And I should have for sure waited until we closed above the 25s. Like, that was dumb. What is my confirmation? Well, that time I didn't wait for the confirmation. I should have waited till we were above this 525. And I thought I would jump in a little bit early. And when it's this big of volatility, I would have loved to have my stop below this, but I couldn't have my stop that big. Now it's gonna go. It's what I get for not being patient. Is it gonna break above now? Very choppy. Very choppy now. See, I should technically just jump back in here. Oh no, Rhythmic crashed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, everybody, hold on. Here we go again. Here we go again. Unbelievable. Yeah, I think we're having rhythmic issues. Don't click buttons. Whatever you do, man, don't keep clicking buttons. The more buttons you click, the worse it gets. Just wait. If you've clicked one button, then don't press another button. Wow, what a move. I'm so upset. I need a double A meeting. Another truck. There's another truck. We just had a confirmation. Another truck. Oh, man. I'm so mad now. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. But one thing, guys, that you need, like, one thing I've noticed is if you experience lag and you have clicked the button one time, do not keep clicking buttons. That is where you will have absolute chaos. Just let it go and then everything will be fine. Don't click buttons once you experience lag. Man, is this gonna pull back all the way? Oh. Click once and then you just need to start praying. No issues for you. Yeah, I definitely had some rhythmic delays. I definitely had rhythmic delays on my other account. It was kind of unfortunate. Got me out at break even. I'm not sure why. I'm not complaining, at least. Now I'm not sure. Chaos, the perfect world. You know, when you're trading rhythmic, then there's like a unique skill set that you need in addition to just trading. You also need a good skill set on how to trade rhythmic outages. Yeah, it requires a unique skill set. Wow, what a pullback here. Wow. Look, let's see if we make new lows here. Yeah, this whole rhythmic thing with I mean, it ain't cool, man. They keep, I don't know, I would be so mad if I was Apex. I would, I don't know. There needs to be more competition. This is what happens when you don't have competition. I mean, I know Rhythmic has competition with Tradeovate technically or CMG, but literally only those two options is really not competition. And I don't know what kind of servers they use, but it ain't working. Yeah, the never ending Rhythmic story. And for a couple weeks there, like last week, I felt like Rhythmic issues were pretty minimal. But then it just, I don't get it. Man, I'm upset I took this loss right before it made it move higher. Kidding me. Yeah, I'm trying to debate if I want to keep. I guess this does count as a traded day now. It's a red day though. It's not what I was looking for. Man, I might jump in here again. Dang. Really curious. Are we going to make new lows here? Daryl needs better connectivity when way out in the international waters. He needs Starlink. That's what he needs. Yeah, Trade of 8. Yeah, we knew about the Trade of 8 was out yesterday. I need to go get me some water. I will be right back. Oh, you know what I just realized? It's time for me to mow my lawn. And like, my lawn is extremely tall, way too tall. Man, oh man. Hmm. They made a new offer for Starlink in my country for $50. I think I'm currently paying 120 per month for Starlink. Oh, do I want to get in on this or not? All right, let's see if we can get above the 550s. We got to get above it and hold it. Man, there's this annoying fly on my screens. I'll try and catch it. Nope. Man, is this gonna rip now? Oh, boys. Feel like I'm gonna get trapped. I'm gonna wait, get above the 560s, and then wait for a pullback. See if we do a V-shaped reversal move like we did yesterday, but this time to the upside. Yesterday it was to the downside. Oh, the copy trader? Yeah, Matt, I know what you mean. I had that happen last 2 weeks ago, I think. I need one of those electric zappers. And the thing is, this fly keeps sitting on my screen. You little bastard. That fly has like 9 lives. I can't get him. Yeah, I know what you mean, Matty Matt. Was that on news, or was that just... I noticed that on news it does that because it feels like it just doesn't fill. It goes so fast, it just doesn't have the time to fill all of it. That's what it feels like. All right. I don't know what I want to do now. This makes me sad. If I would have just waited, if I would have just waited a little bit longer, I would have had a really nice trade there, and we'd be green on the account. Now I kind of want to keep trading this account and try to get it back to green, but we all know how things can go. Perhaps, I don't know. I did hear that the PAs, creating PAs can sometimes take a little bit longer depending on when you activate them. I always feel like the best time to activate PAs is in the evening. They get created in the most efficient manner in the evening. If you wait and do it like at 9 o'clock, 9:30, it does seem like it takes them longer to get them activated. I don't know if it's just congestion or what. The coulda, shoulda removed from my mindset. Well, I know DL, but it's more of a learning opportunity, DL, than a coulda, woulda. It's more just a learning. I know I should have waited and I didn't. That it's a learning opportunity. Why am I trading the NQ? Why not lean hogs? Let's trade some lean hogs for the memes. Can I even pull it up? lean hogs. Where is it? Hey, Rain 1980. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, Citizen Zero. Yeah, Citizen Zero. There were definitely, for a brief moment, there were some rhythmic issues for sure. What that means, I can't tell you. The Canadian dollar futures has really nice moves. Okay. Hey, good morning, Clarity. Good morning. Good to see you. And we're making another move higher. Just can't get above. Can't get above the 550s. Hey, good morning, Trader's Chick. How was the canoeing? It was good, but we went on a 7-mile canoe trek. Oh, 7 miles yesterday. And I'm a little bit sore. And so it was me and the wife. Me and my wife, we were in one canoe. And unfortunately, we were the only canoe that tipped over. Tell you what, guys, if you ever want to really test your marriage, go on a canoe trip. It's it's what's recommended. It will definitely test things. It was all good. It was all good though. We were it was just unfortunate. We started going kind of sideways down the river, and it was moving at a pretty decent pace. And then we hit a rock as we're moving sideways, and then we tried to overcorrect for hitting the rock, and next thing you know, we're tipped over. And and I'm telling you what, that river water was cold. It was cold. Man, here we go. Let's see if this breaks out now. It's tried to break out a couple times and it failed every time. See if it can do it this time. Definitely doesn't feel like it's just gonna rip, but maybe. Hmm. I don't know why I'm even considering trading breakouts. I hate trading breakouts. Oh, of course, now it's gonna go. Okay, fine. Okay, we're finally above the 550s, 560s. Now we just need to wait on a pullback. I mean, I think we tried to make new lows. We just couldn't. I don't know. I guess we just need to. Dang it. I don't know. Now it's just going to push without me. We just got to wait now for a pullback. Just need to be patient. Let's wait for a pullback and we'll give it another try. Hey, Francis, good to see you. Hey, D Versatility, good to see you. Larry, good to see you. What is buy click? This is just a chart trader that I use. You go like this, you buy click, and then that's how that's what that is. Yeah, Kevin Murray. That's the other reason, like in the last couple of days, that I've decided a perfect reason why not to do copy trade all 20 accounts is because of all these rhythmic issues that we keep having. I would definitely not recommend it. Not recommended. Like if I get rhythmic issues on one account, you know, whatever. It is what it is. But copy trading and doing that on 20 accounts, whew, that's a whole different story. All right, give me a pullback now. Pull back to like the 51s. And then hopefully come on, pull back more than that. I don't copy trade anymore a couple weeks because of it. Yeah, Kevin Murray. I definitely, until Apex gets these rhythmic issues resolved, and we have like 3-4 weeks without rhythmic issues, I just don't think it's smart. It's just not smart to be copy trading a lot of accounts. If they do reset accounts, it's out of the goodness of their hearts. They don't have to reset anyone, Trader's Chick. Yeah, exactly. A lot of people don't understand that, but it is very easily in bold letters written in the contracts that Apex is not responsible for any rhythmic connection issues. But in the past, they've always made it right. But it's not that a guarantee that they will. But I think it is the right thing to do. All right, okay, getting a pullback now. I guess I'm going to have to, right here around the 50s, we got to look at getting in. Makes me nervous if I'm being honest. TBM down today. It's, yeah. We all have red days. Yeah, I've noticed, try me actually. I feel, I do. I have noticed that it seems like trades by Matt, the Sierra chart trade copier, at least unless, you know, I just haven't seen it, but I have been pretty impressed by how consistent that it has been. Well, we might have missed. Let's just wait. We got about one more bullet left in us for today. If we take another loss, we're going to have to call it. Yeah, I would not recommend using the Apex trade copier. I don't recommend anyone use that for multiple reasons. Okay, now we. Come on, man, I gotta. Okay, we'll take that. Could have had a better entry there, but we'll take it. Hey, Francis, take care. Got smoked on the long PA, Danny. I'm sorry. A year to date 70K, is that 16.7? Oh, that's this year. Try me. That is currently, like, from January to now is 70,000. But to be fair, this is my first actual year that I've taken payouts. So it took me a year. Took me over a year to get to a payout. There is lots of struggles, lots of pain and suffering. Thank you, Try Me. Thank you. It's definitely I don't take payouts for granted. I hope I never do. You think Apex is falling apart before our eyes, Neo? If you think that, then use someone else. I'm not worried. We've heard the demise and the downfall of Apex for about once a month, every month. Yeah, at least once a month for the last 12 months. Everyone keeps saying, "Oh, Apex can't." Or what's really funny to me is when Apex is making these big payouts, then people are saying, "Oh, they can't keep paying out this much." Then when their payouts go down, then they say, "Oh, well, Apex, is denying everyone because they can't afford to make payouts." It's like, which one is it? I don't. But hey, I'm not here to convince anyone. If you really do think Apex is not, then use someone else. I'm not here to convince anyone, but for me and myself and I'm not worried. Do they have things they need to improve on? Yes, 100%. They definitely have things that they can do better, and I know that they're working hard on improving, but it's definitely not exactly how I want it to be. But hey, Slaya in the house. Good morning, Slaya. Good to see you. Oh, you sent me a message. Copy that. I will get on it. All right, we cannot seem to get above the 570 area here. Makes me want to. I don't want to go short, but I kind of want to go short. This doesn't. We could easily see this put another leg lower. Man, oh man. They're having too many issues. Yeah, they definitely have some issues now they need to work through. I agree. The great thing about it is there's other prop firms that you can use, you know. If you don't feel comfortable, then use someone else. All right, here we are. Man, I feel like this is a good. All right, let's see if this holds. Let's see if we may try to make a move above the 580s, or are we just gonna make a move lower? It is starting to feel heavy. Starting to feel heavy. Hmm. Man, I'm gonna take another stab at this long. Unbelievable. Am I gonna get wrecked here again? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thought there for a second it's gonna get me. Seemed to. Man, I'm glad I got out of that trade. I flexi trades. Is flexi trade still around? You guys remember? One thing I've noticed, a lot of people um I've maybe I shouldn't even, but I've been surprised by how many people I see promoting fast track trading. Man, the mark. I think this market, I think we're going lower. Okay, here we go. Man, if I was being more aggressive here, I would be looking to short right now. This thing failing. We tested here, now we're below the EMA and we're just not seeing any. Doesn't seem to have any buyers, but I'm just gonna wait. Who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? Hey, Red Poker, how we doing? How was my day off? It was good. It was fine. It was fine, but I'll be honest, I'm done. I am totally over. I just want to be home for like a month straight now because I'm ready to just be at home. We've been traveling a lot, and which has been fun, but at the same time gets very tiring. Hey, good morning, Roger Sam. Good morning. How is the truck you used during the crash yesterday design? Come on, just everybody fess up. Who was it? Who was it that wrecked the truck into the pole? Buy 5, get 1 free? What? Oh, no, wait. Who was that? Only one airbag deployed. That's too funny. See if we break below the 530s here. I really think we might test the lows here, the 480s. I really, it is not looking very bullish. See what happens. Here we go, below the 30s. See if the bottom just falls out here. Or we just rip higher. Yeah, I guess maybe the bulls are back. That's a nice move. I can't. It's hard to tell. It's right now. I'm very conflicted, which usually means I should not take a trade. Just need to be patient. Oh man. Look at this. The bulls are back. The bulls are back. I should not have doubted them. I should not have doubted the bulls. Man. Hey, you passing the count with that trade? Let's go YBK. If it wasn't for support and resistance, trading would be easy. Yeah, I don't know. It's a trap, R5 Studios. Were you thinking a trap to the downside? It does look like that, 100%. Right here, as soon as we get below the 530s, it trapped the shorts, and that's what happened. But at least we didn't go short. I guess if we look at the positive. Oh, you didn't pass the account. Okay. Anyone have issues with Apex creating new PA accounts today, Rad Poker? Yeah, I did see a couple people saying that it's taking forever to get the accounts created. I did see that. So, for whatever it is worth. It's showing 800 less than what it's supposed to be. $16 contracts, though? I mean, if 16 contracts, depending on what fill you got, that's not really that many ticks. Do you think they'll screw me? I mean, Apex is not in charge of the data, YBK. You have to understand that. If you got a bad fill, there's really not that's a rhythmic issue, but it could be that you had maybe rhythmic delays or something. But Apex needs more bodies. Yeah, 100% Traders Chick, 100%. Maybe we should all just go and work for Apex so that they can finally have better support. Okay, this market, it does look like it is going to keep going higher. Little bit of a, this is a pretty nice pullback here. Just did not, I didn't trust it. I was scared. I'm scared of the bears after yesterday. The bears yesterday, they scared me. I was officially scarred. I just thought after this big of a move higher, I was just convinced. I was just convinced that this is going to go test those highs again at some point. And it just never happened. And I paid the price. There is still one missing. That's weird that one would be missing, but the other ones are okay. Huh. If there was rhythmic issues today, yeah, there was for a little bit. I feel like for like 5 minutes around, what time was it? It was around 10:25, something in there. Something in at that point. I did note it. Yeah, there were definitely some rhythmic, a little bit of delay going on. Oh, and there it goes, breaking out. The bulls are in town. They ain't messing around. Oh, man. Confirmation. We need to look at longs only and not get trapped. Ooh. And now we pull back. It's tempting to jump in here if we pull back to like the 580s. It's also kind of dangerous. It's just going to keep going. Yeah, nice, Francis. Very nice, nice. If I use Bookmap, I don't. I used to. I used to use Bookmap, and it just got to a point where I became a little too distracted by it, and I got way too biased because of it. Lean Hogs is breaking out. I love it. I love that we have people trading lean hogs. That's just awesome. Here it goes. We are above the 600s. I just can't jump in here. There's just no way I can justify it. You've never seen a lean hog in your life. Yeah, what's up with that? Why do they call it lean hogs? We all know they're fat. I didn't tell anyone would actually. I didn't think anyone would actually trade lean hogs. I don't know who was saying it. Diego. All right, just need a little bit of a pullback that I can justify jumping in here. I can't. I got to be patient here. Pull back here to the 585 area, then I can consider taking a long. What time is it? 11:12. Lean hog refers to a hog that is ready for processing at about 275 pounds. I see. See, now I've learned two things today. Thank you for that, Red Poker. 7 points away. No, Matty Matt. Of course, it had to pull back. Oh, wow. Okay, here we're getting close to this 580 level. Let's see if we can get it. Now I'm kind of scared. Anytime after a day like yesterday, I always am a little bit scared to trade the next day. I have to get through my emotional damage, get through the scar tissue. Wow, now, I mean, this is a pretty big pullback here. There it is, through the 570s. Ay, ay, ay. I don't like this. Oh, man. Tried to catch a falling knife right there. Gotta be kidding me. Hmm. Did I really just get shot in the tick right there? Really? Hmm. feels bad. Wait, Trade of 80 is down again? A DCA gang. I should have joined the DCA gang right there and added. Add instead of getting stopped out. Dang it. Oh, that's frustrating. Now I'm too scared to go in again. I should just enter again, but we all know what's going to happen. It's going to rip right back up to the 600s now. Ugh. If I've ever tried the 3 minute instead of 2 minute, I don't think I have. No, I don't think so. Please be careful. Frozen on you 3 times, wasn't even showing the pullback. Went to really log in twice. Okay. I guess, yeah, be careful, guys. I guess Trade of 8 might be having issues. Well, maybe I should just call it here on this account. I don't know. That's disappointing. I really hope this goes lower, just so I don't get shot in the tick here. You need more trading funds. Trading is freezing hard for people. Can't connect the data right now. Oh my gosh. I don't have any Trading accounts, so I can't really confirm or deny. I assume that's true. And there it goes. Well, at least now I feel better about taking the loss. There's that. Janet Yellen needs to make me a magic money window like the banksters. Yeah, I know Goan trades. That does make me feel a little bit better about just sticking it out with Rhythmic. Now Trade of 8's having issues. You can't make this up. Trade of 8 working for you? Trade of 8 live account is fine. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Is it just for some people? Your 10-point gain earned you $32. Are you sure you weren't trading micros, Larry? Do I want to take another stab at this or not? And I do like a long here right at the bottom of this trend. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna look for a bigger move. I feel like this is me probably being a little greedy. Really need this to get above the 74 or 5 area here. Come on. Rip it. Yeah, it just can't seem to get going now. Come on, breakthrough right here. I'm just gonna take that. I'm being impatient. Hey, Red Clay Trader, good morning. Good to see you. Caught the reversal this morning, but chopped it up like onions. I've been there. This feels very choppy right now, and I need to scalp my way back out of it. I need to scalp my way back to green somehow, or I'm trying to. Really want to get this account green today. Oops, I was muted. I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. And we're back. Oh, market going lower. Whew, I'm glad I took that profit right there. Oh, this market. Just do not like this kind of price action. $3K, yeah. You get Hey, good morning, Jonathan Trentwell. I remember you. It's been a while. Man, I hear my neighbor's mowing his lawn. Makes me realize that I should be doing the same. Excuse me. My hubby just started mowing while we have cloud cover since he didn't catch any fish today. Trader's chick. Yeah, I don't know what to think on this price action. Part of me thinks like we are going to make a move down and take out these lows at some point today, but I don't know. Right now, the market's just very undecided, I feel like. Very undecided. Hmm. Okay, I'm going to take this. Let's go. That was a quick fill. Holy cow. Could have held it for a little bit longer. I didn't even have time to move my profit target. It got there so fast. All right, one more good trade. One more good trade. And we pull back. And now we're pulling back down. Hey, Ace Undercover, how we doing? Do any of you ever get lagging issues with Ninja Trader? Yeah, I do. Ace Undercover, I definitely do sometimes with Ninja Trader. I've noticed I get it a lot worse when I'm on my laptop than if I'm on my good computer. So I assume there is something to do with what kind of computer you have, processor, memory, that type of thing. Market is like a buzzsaw ripping up trade easily. Yeah, Gary Brooks, that's exactly how it. That's pretty much sums it up. Leaves us all scarred and damaged, and we have to work through it. Very volatile, kind of rangy, choppy action today. I usually do not trade that great in this kind of environment. Oh, man, I am working hard for. Okay, now this is what makes price action like today very difficult to trade. We get a breakout and then we pull right back down into the range, and it's just hard to trade that. It's where it's tempting to, as soon as it tests this 541. It might not be a terrible idea just to take my small loss on the day and call it good. Ponzi. Market giving us the finger. Yeah, it does feel like it got a little bit of a middle finger. Head and shoulders forming. It definitely does. Hmm. It's so maddening. Really? I think I need to call it a day. Okay, we'll take that. Tradeovate ruined your day. Is Tradeovate still lagging on my ticker? You almost tossed your laptop out the door. That's not good. We want a free reset, Apex. I will admit, yesterday I lost an account and I really was hoping Apex would reset it. To no avail. Oh, this is difficult to trade. I actually think I need to walk away. I just need to walk away. A $22 red day seems insignificant, but taking in consideration, you know, it's not terrible. So what happens if that's all your ace undercover? This is a 50K account. So multiple things. First, I need to trade this account for 10 days since my last payout, which means I think I've traded it now for 4 days. Ooh, wow, look at that. Now it's ripping. Okay. But then you can only withdraw 2,000 until you've taken the third month of payouts. Then there is no limit. But yeah, I could only take out 2,000 twice a month on the 50K accounts. Ace undercover. I'm going to watch the ballerina murder trial. Apex approved 3 consecutive 2K payments since April. They only paid 1. That's weird, Anna. Oh, you're talking about your 250K PA? Sorry, I did not see that. Question on the 250K account. So the target to get paid is 25660. Yes, that is correct. If you take out 3,000, so if you take out 3,000 ace undercover, before you can request another payout, you need to trade 10 days again, and the account balance just has to be above that 660, the $6,600 in profit. So as long as it's above that, then you can request another payout. Yeah, Gary Brooks, that's kind of how I'm feeling. A wise man would just walk away. I'm sure we're going to get a move. And to be honest, these moves aren't, the volatility is still there, but considering everything, I kind of feel like today's a win. It's just a $22 loss. This here is where I'm at on my other accounts. I actually have a really nice day on one of my 250K accounts. Pretty much maxed the $1,900 in profit on one of the 250K accounts, which would be, I think, right at the 30% consistency, I think. So 6,600 times 30% is 1980. So I'm right at it. But the reason that I did that on that account is here, let me show you guys. What was that here? I think this still shows. Oops, sorry. I clicked the wrong screen here. So I got to show you guys something. I should stop maybe trading on my laptop, I feel like. So one thing that I do on my laptop sometimes is, and I remember I did this, I was trading this account right here. Like I took a trade on this account last night about midnight. And I remember when I took this trade, I forgot that I didn't have an ATM on it when I entered. So I just manually went in and added a target right here. I think it was a target here, and then I added a stop loss. But the problem was I added it manually. So when I did that, it wasn't a OCO order. So basically when my target was hit, it didn't cancel my sell order that was sitting right here. So right here is where I entered short at, what time was it? 3 o'clock in the morning. Trust me, I wasn't awake. I was not trading. I just had an open order sitting there of 2 contracts. I get filled, but of course I didn't have an ATM attached to it. And we literally sell off. I mean, I had a sick trade that I did not know of. I was pretty upset actually when I woke up this morning. So right here, when I wake up this morning, I realized what happened and I had to just get out because I woke up right before the 8:30 news came out. So I quickly got out, thankfully, before the news. I mean, actually, I would have made money, but yeah. Long story short, we were at 3,000 in profit when at the max. So I had 3,000 in profit right here. But obviously, I didn't know I was in a trade. So, you know, basically what happened is this whole trade went all the way back and I ended up taking like a $400 loss. But unfortunately, like the worst part of it is I lost a lot of my drawdown. Now, it doesn't reflect it here because I was trading on my laptop. So therefore, the way that the chart, this account manager works, in order to track your drawdown, you have to take your trades on this computer for it to track your drawdown. So I literally just I decided today, I'm like, hey, because I lost so much of my drawdown, like the only way to kind of get it back is to, you know, make a lot of money on it. And I was calculating, I was like $1,000 away from getting that account across the threshold you know, for the payout threshold. But obviously I would have been an issue because of my, you know, because of the 30% consistency rule. But that's why on this account right here, I was very, very aggressive today. I think I was trading 4 contracts and basically my goal was to make close to $2,000 on that account, just so it gives me some wiggle room on my drawdown. But I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy that I got it to pretty happy that we got it to where it is now. All right, here we are again. It's slowly climbing higher, but you can't really trust it. But today was the day that it was time to trade the 250K accounts. And I'm glad we did. I got all of the 250K accounts now traded. At least I have it traded. I need to do better with making sure I cycle through and get those accounts traded. Hmm. Man, I'm so tempted to go long here yet. One more time. I was just looking. I think, yeah. Anyway, I need to figure out how I can update my. I think there is a way that I can update it. I need to figure out how to do it. When you size up the contracts, you have to stay trading there because Apex considers it a violation of consistency rules if you go back down in size. JC, I mean, yes, in relative, but going from 4 contracts to 1 isn't gonna cause issues. If you go from trading on that's on a 250K account. If you trade 15 contract size and then go down to 1, or from 10 to 1, yes, I think you would probably have issues. But if you just go from 4 to 1, that's not going to cause issues. 30% rule based on total profit, or does it take into account a previous payout? That is from your current payout window. So kind of look at it as a fresh. So if you take a payout, you start a fresh set of 10 days. I think that is what it goes off of, but that's actually a really good question, RM. I believe that is how it is, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Rumor mill, pine tree trader. Yeah, that sounds like a rumor to me. I thought you couldn't change it at all, JC. No, you can change it. See, I mean, that's where no, that's not the case at all. You can change contract size. They just don't want you going, 10 contracts and then getting all of your profit and then going down to 1 to 2. That's what they're going to look at. Yeah, it is a little bit confusing, RM. I'm actually trying to think if they specifically explain that anywhere in their FAQs. I'll try to find out. I'll try to do some research and find out on that. Yeah, I'm looking at an affordable indicators chart. I think there is actually a way I can update that from closed. I might do that. That way it's accurate. Now it's 24866. Well, I don't know what I want to do here. You know what, guys? Why don't we let's do a quick giveaway. Let's do a quick giveaway, and before I end the stream here, man, I could have taken that long right there. Just nah. Feel like I'm definitely being hesitant today, but Matty Matt, wrong. That's the wrong code. Where did I get the IB indicator? I think it's from Trade Devil Indicators, I believe. All right, let me get this giveaway fired up. Give me just a second. All right. Hang on. Okay, I think we are good. Why? Okay, here we go. All right, guys, hang on. That's not ready yet. We're not ready yet. Also, let's I'm trying to think. Do I want to hold you guys captive? Do I need to hold you guys captive and see how many likes I have? It's kind of a slow day, I feel like. So if we can just even get, if you guys could just do me a favor and hit the like button, that'd be cool. I think that'd be cool. All right, let's go. We'll start the giveaway. Giveaway has begun. Enter exclamation mark Nutty. Why did it not eval giveaway? Yes, any size eval. We're going to give away a code. Okay. So exclamation mark Nutty. And I do have a code. I have a code that will give you a free reset. Remember, you got to hit the like button in order to be entered to the giveaway. In order for it to work, you got to hit the like button. Just saying. Man, I'm so tempted to go long here, but I am not doing it. Let's do this giveaway. Let's do the giveaway, and then I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it, and doesn't really feel like I had a good day, but if I look at my accounts, I actually did have a good day. I think I'm still a little bit upset about losing a 150K account yesterday. I did pass a 150K eval this morning. I did pass a 150K eval this morning, so I will be activating that tomorrow. I'm going to try not to do that too much. I don't like just replacing accounts. A really pine tree trading? Yeah. And the chop continues. The choppiness continues. All right, we got you guys got 6 minutes to do the giveaway. By the way, well, no, let's wait till the giveaway window is over. If I've ever felt like a gerbil in a wheel, many times in my life, many times. How long does it usually take you to pass larger accounts, Matthew? Honestly, well, I have done the 150Ks in a day, but usually, like this morning, yeah, I just played it the right direction, and I went short on the news this morning, and that's how I passed it. It's really not anything to brag about. All right, guys. Again, this will be a code giveaway. This will be a code giveaway, not a PayPal money giveaway. I do have a code, any size account, but it will have to be a rhythmic account. So wow, look at that. Now we're going to make another move lower. Oh man, I am so thankful that I just stayed out of that trade. Yeah, this looks like it's going to test the lows. I just don't I am definitely not trading anymore today. I'm done. I am DON done. And I'm consider myself quite fortunate to only be down 22 on this account, and all my other accounts I'm green that I have traded. I only traded the 250K accounts. I think what I'm going to start doing going forward, guys, is I'm going to reserve like 2 days out of the week. I'm going to focus on trading the 250K accounts. That way I keep trading those accounts and they don't just sit there for a week without being traded, because I'm so used to just trading whatever account balance is the lowest is like by default how I cycle through my accounts. Slaya with the truth. Sorry to tell everyone, spreading FUD. The 20 accounts is not leaving in September. There you go, guys. You heard it from the horse's mouth. You heard it here. Confirmation. Why don't I just copy trade QQ? Multiple reasons. Multiple reasons I just trade individually the accounts. One of them is I'm still struggling a little bit with my self-discipline, and when I copy trade all my accounts at the same time, I have just found that I have a difficult time accepting losses, and I let my losers run way too much, and it just psychologically it just affects me too much. So that's the main reason. The other reason is with the rhythmic issues and stuff. I feel like it's not very smart to be trading 20 accounts at the same time right now with some of the connection issues and stuff like that. I don't really, that's kind of the other reason. Okay, we are down to the 500s again. This market is going lower. Okay, guys, you got 1 minute and 30 seconds to enter in the giveaway. Exclamation mark Nutty, and you will be entered for basically any size account, rhythmic only. Here we are through the 500s. Wow, this is really taking a move. All right, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. All right, it's looking good. All right, guys, 20 seconds left, and we'll do the giveaway. And then I might do a poll. I might do a poll. I'm kind of curious if you guys want to do you guys want to do the spinning wheel, or would you rather just, do a giveaway and that's it? Hey, good morning, Timbo. Good to see you. All right, the giveaway is closed. You can no longer enter. Anna, you are entered. And you can only enter once. All right, here we go, boys. Let's see what you guys want to do. Oh, no, perfect play, John. Did you guys not get in? I can't help it. It's too late. All right, let's see. All right, let's do a poll. I'm going to do a quick poll. Very quick poll. All right. This is going to be, do you want to do the Wheel of Death, or just you pick one name and then that's who wins? What do you guys want to do? I'll let you decide. I'm not going to have this open for long. Wow, we're getting a bounce off of this 500 level. We did not make new lows. Very interesting indeed. All right, it looks pretty overwhelming that people want to do the Wheel of Death, so that is what we will do. I don't mind doing the Wheel of Death. I kind of like it. Okay, we are going to pick 10 names. And then these 10 names will be added to the wheel. And then whoever wins is going to... Whatever name is the last name standing is the winner. Let me end the poll. You're already on the wheel of death. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's pick some winners. And the first winner, the first name to be added to the wheel is Madeira Sabili, if I'm pronouncing that right. Very nice. Congratulations. Good luck. Next one to be added is Rosie Rose. Rosie Rose. Were you picked in the last giveaway? For some reason, I feel like you were. But Mertz. The next one is Mertz. And here we go. The next winner to be added to the wheel is Kirk. Okay, let's go, Kirk. And the next one is going to be Leonard 0104. Good luck, sir. Next one is going to be, hey, let's go, BPCF Gaming Trading. Let's go. That's a very familiar name. Good luck. Good luck. And the next name to be added to the wheel is Brandon Hartman. All right, let's go. And we currently have 7. We have 3 more names to pick. Next one is Crypto Crab. Let's go, Crypto Crab. I like it when we see familiar names. I like it. All right, 2 more names to pick. Next one is OS. OS. I see. All right. All right. Next, this is the final name that will be added to the wheel. Here we go. And it is Roger Sam. Let's go. No, you did not, Slayer. Not yet. Okay, Roger Sam. Here we go. All right, boys. We have the names are all added to the wheel. Uh-oh. I accidentally hit spin. I gotta quickly show it. This is the first name that will be eliminated. Oh, no. Not Kirk. I'm sorry, Kirk. I'm really sorry. And here we go. Removed. Sorry, Kirk. I'm really sorry. Next name to be removed. Next name to be removed. Looks like OS. OS. You're out of here. Thanks for playing. Removed. And spinning again. We got the next name to be eliminated is... Oh, is it going to be Rosie Rose? Oh, I feel like we need a recount on that. Slow down the wheel. That one looked like it was dead center on the line. Can I somehow see? Can I see somehow if... I need to see I need to see this again. Can I just close this? Yeah, look. Look at that. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't think that can get any closer. The wheel is having rhythmic issues. I mean, that's fair. But I guess we have to go off of what the wheel said. It said Mertz is eliminated, so... I apologize, Mertz. I apologize, Mertz. I don't make the rules. I don't make the rules. I don't make the rules, man. Here we go. Next name to be eliminated is, oh, not Crypto Crop. Come on. This wheel is just brutal. Sorry, Crypto Crop, but thanks for playing. Here we go. We are down to 6 names. Down to 6 names. And, ooh, this is going to be Leonard. I'm sorry. Thanks for playing, though. Here we go. It's a rigged election. That's right. Here we go. Next one is Tick, Tick, Tick. Oh, no, not BPCF. Come on. I'm sorry, man. I was pulling for you. And we got to remove. We are down to the final 4. The final 4. Here we go. Oh, not Roger Sam. Come on. What is this? What is this? Oh, all right, Roger Sam. Thanks for playing. Unfortunately, you are eliminated. All right, here's who we got left. We got Rosie Rose. We got Brandon Hartman. Madeira. That's who we got left. Here we go. Is it going to be red, green, or yellow? Pick a color. The colors change, by the way, on the name. Uh-oh, it's going to be Madeira. It's going to be gone. Yep. Sorry, Madeira. Thanks for playing, though. And we got Rosie Rose and Brandon Hartman to duke it out for the final spot. Here it goes. Here we go, Rosie Rose. Good luck. And Brandon Hartman, is it going to be red or blue? Red or blue? Here we go. I should. Here we go. Here we go. It looks like it's gonna be Rosie Rose for the win. Rosie Rose for the win. There it is. There it is, man. There it is. Rosie Rose for the win. Congratulations. You are the winner. Now, here's what you need to do in order to verify some things and make sure we don't have some posers. I need you to send me an email. This is the email address that I will share right now in chat. Okay, so this is the email. You were top 2 last time. See, I knew Rosie Rose was on that wheel the last time. Rosie Rose has got it figured out. She's got this down. Did you actually win, Rosie Rose, or was it someone else that won? Something going on with Rosie and Nutty. Yikes. My wife might be listening. Let's keep this on a civil note here. Rosie is a bot from the Patrick Whelan channel. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, wow. Look at that. While we were doing the spinning wheel, the market made new lows. Who would have thunk? Yeah, I didn't think you won, but you were on the wheel, so I'm glad that you won this time. Yeah, go ahead, Rosie Rose. Send me an email. Send me an email, and we will get you that. I will get you that code. Yeah, Rosie was runner-up last time. Let's go. This time she pulls out the win. If Nutty's wife hears, she'll be moderating the future streams. Yep. Hey, maybe, guys. Here, this is big brain here. Maybe Rosie Rose is my wife. Ha ha. Hey, honey. Actually, she's not here right now. I should have my wife stream one time. I should. She actually doesn't watch the stream that much. Every now and then she will. But guys, I have to tell you this. So remember a couple weeks ago before I went on vacation and I shared the story with you guys, the LOL story I'm sure for those that were here remember the LOL story that I shared. So that was the first time I've ever shared that story ever. I hadn't even told anyone the LOL story before I told you guys. So on my vacation, while we were on vacation, I came clean to my wife, and I came clean, and I told her about the LOL, about my how scarred I am with LOL and the whole story. I thought for real, I thought she was gonna die laughing. I thought she might die laughing. She thought that was so funny. Oh man, she just got the biggest kick out of that. And now of course, I've there's this whole thing of the LOL. I'm gonna just say the LOL gang. Never prove to your wife your true IQ. The lots of love bros. Oh, Slaya, you weren't here for the LOL story? I'll give you a brief summary. I'll give you the 2-minute summary, okay? Way back in the day, I'm saying 15 years ago, okay? This was probably 15 years ago, maybe even more. But this is right when I started texting. And I was like 18, 19 years old. So, the ladies, the women were pretty prevalent in my life. I was texting back and forth with, XYZ. And the problem was somehow my stupid brain for some reason, I thought LOL meant lots of love. Like, for way too long. I don't even know exactly how long I thought LOL meant lots of love. But let's just say that time in my life was a very confusing time. Very confusing. The worst time, I still remember, I had a friend of mine that had a funeral. Like, for real. I had a friend that I was texting that had a funeral, and I responded with LOL. Like, that took the cake. That was the worst. I still remember. Oh, it was terrible. Here I thought, nothing of it. And he probably got that text and read it and just thought, what kind of douchebag is this guy? Oh. And the worst part about it was a girl. It was a girl that had I think it was her uncle or something. And she was sharing how, she has a funeral to attend to or something. And I thought it appropriate to respond with, I sent something of a message and I said, LOL. Oh my. And then on top of that, what really made things confusing for me, like my love life was complete shambles during the time that I didn't understand what LOL meant. My love life was absolutely in shambles because I had this friend, how you have some girlfriends that are actually just your friends. Like, you're just really good friends with them, right? Well, this one girl I was texting back and forth with, she starts sending me LOLs, and quite a bit of LOLs. And I was like, man, I was like, wow, I didn't think we were going that route, but I guess, I'm up for it. I was like, I guess I'm down. And then it just got really weird. It got really weird from there. I cannot explain to you guys how bad things were. It was bad. It was bad, guys. It was bad. I guarantee you I lost friendship with at least 3 different girls because of LOL. And I didn't even share this the last time, but I came clean to my wife, so I might as well come clean to you guys, but the one girl that I was friends with, and she starts sending me LOL vibes, and I'm just like, well, okay, I guess, you know? So I actually go and ask her out. Like, I actually was like, yeah, okay, I'm down. Like, if you want to take it to this level, I'm down with it. So I actually asked her out, and she was so confused. Oh my gosh. She goes and like, oh my God, it was so cringy. It was so cringy thinking back because she's like, I thought we were just friends, and I'm like, well, yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like, that's what I thought. But you're giving me mixed signals. And we never clarified that. We never clarified that I was thinking she meant lots of love, and all this time she was just having a good time. She was just laughing. She was just saying laugh out loud. And I thought, so I asked her out, completely ruined our friendship. Never was the same ever since. Because we went back and I'm like, can we just pretend this didn't happen? But nope, it was never the same. And then not until like probably a year later, when thankfully one of my friends actually explained to me that, do you realize that LOL means laugh out loud? And my life flashed before my very eyes. I thought there's no shot. Someone said, did I ever think of Googling LOL? That might reveal kind of my IQ level at the moment, but I'm just saying 15, 18 years ago, Google wasn't quite as smart as you would think. But no, I did not think of doing that, unfortunately. Oh, anyway, I'll never live that down. And now that my wife knows the truth, it's just going to snowball from here. She's going to send me LOL. Oh, man. Anyway, that's the short version of the LOL story. Never to be forgotten. And it was it was rough. It was a very rough time in my life, I will say. After I discovered what LOL actually meant, like, first of all, I wanted to, like, I really felt the need to go and talk to some people and make things right, but I never did. And at the moment, I remember thinking to myself, I will take this story to my grave. I will never tell anyone. And now here I am sharing it on the internet. Unfortunate. But yeah, my life, it completely changed. I was like, wow. It just completely changed. And back then I was doing a lot of texting too. So that didn't help matters. Oh man, I tell you what. But hey, when you grow up Amish, some things just, you got to find out the hard way. You got to figure things out on your own, I guess. That's kind of what I get out of it. Okay, Rosie, I just sent you an email, Rosie Rose, and I need you to enter the 4-digit code into chat to make sure that it is you, and I will give you the code for the eval giveaway. Deversatility. It definitely was a feel bad. It definitely was a feels bad. When did I find out what LOL? I think if I just go off of memory, I probably was confused on what LOL meant for a full year. Probably a full year, for real. It is still makes me cringe when I think about it. Like, it actually makes my insides tweet. It makes me, ugh. You know what I hope? I hope some of my friends, like, And that would be awesome if one of my friends would start chatting in chat and they would be like, "Oh, that makes a lot of sense now." Hey, let's go, Rosie Rose, with the correct code. Awesome. I will respond, and here's your code. All right, there you go, Rosie Rose. Congratulations on winning, and that is awesome. I really did confuse some guys. Yeah, agreed. Very nice try, Gary. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to end the stream here. I'm just good not trading the rest of the day, to be quite honest. Let's do a quick snapshot, and then I'll do a recap of my trading today. But here's where we're standing at currently on the accounts. As I said earlier, I did lose a 150K account yesterday, me being stupid. But I did pass another one this morning, so I'll be activating that again. Overall, pretty good day, actually, considering. I wish I was green on this account, but considering we were down 350 at one point, I guess we'll take it as a break even, as a win. So, all right, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for participating in the giveaway. And we will be back tomorrow. Hopefully, going forward, my streaming schedule will be a lot more consistent. We do not have any more vacations planned that I'm aware of. And yeah, I want to be a little more consistent with my streaming schedule. So, all right, everybody. Thanks. Appreciate everyone. Thanks for your support. And we will see you in the morning. Take care. Have a great day. And God bless.